funnel management tool is a framework for effectively managing sales and marketing leads. The tool aims to serve as a well-structured approach for tracking and managing leads. The tool looks at how leads travel through the sales process in your organization. A typical funnel resembles an inverted pyramid. The top of the funnel is usually wider, with a larger volume of leads that come into your system, and the funnel gets narrower as the leads get qualified and finally culminates in the leads who have been converted into customer. The tool also helps you do an accurate sales forecasting and help you track the sales team's performance on an ongoing basis. The funnel management tool is an Excel-based tool that will help you manage opportunities and leads effectively. The tool will help you answer some essential problem statements like: how many opportunities or leads do you currently have at different levels of the funnel? What is the expected revenue from all the opportunities in the pipeline? In other words, what is your sales forecast? How are your sales reps performing against the sales targets? What is the expected performance of all your sales regions and product categories? What is the total revenue from one opportunities? What is the average value of the one opportunity? On successful implementation of this tool could help you reap many benefits like a dashboard view that gives you key metrics at a glance for effective funnel management, improved conversion rate lead to win ratio, new customer acquisition as a result of better lead management, efficient and effective sale forecasting, performance tracking of all the sales reps, sales regions, and product or services categories, potential revenue growth as an outcome of better funnel management, informed decision making. There are 4 sections in the tool: list, drop-down options, feeder sheet, dashboard, 360 degrees resources. Let's take a look at each section. List drop-down options collects basic information such as names of sales reps, their respective targets, sales region, products, and different lead stages. You need to fill this information before filling the feeder sheet. Once the information is filled in given tables, the information will appear as drop-down options in the feeder sheet. Feeder sheet captures the raw data, such as opportunity information, contact details, lead status, lead stage, deal value, and next steps. Please fill all the information required in the relevant fields and use the drop-downs when applicable. The cells indicated in light green color are auto-populated and do not require any action from you. The dashboard is an analysis sheet that converts all raw information that is captured in feeder sheet into charts and graphs. This quick dashboard helps you get a consolidated view of sales leads at various stages, expected revenue, sales performance by sales reps, regions, and product categories. 360 degrees resources tab contains links to additional resources on WF platform like articles, expert videos, case studies, connects, and more. These resources will equip you with important information on funnel management.